We got them home.
No way! Dude. Oh, the jet ski.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we are going on a slight adventure. So we are going downstate. I was on Marketplace last night as usual. Got to do my mid-evening Marketplace deal finds, you know. Came across a pretty good deal on a set of jet skis for the boys, you know. One of them is an SPX like that one we already have. That one is a 1996, I believe, and that's got about a 700 in it. The one I'm actually going to look at is identical to that one. And there's a 97 XP, which if you don't know, the XPs they made with the 800, which is that much nastier. As far as I know, this one actually has a built propeller that the guys throw into it. He already serviced it with a new wear ring and all that stuff like that. So it'll be interesting to see if this is as clean as like the pictures show. We'll see what we can do for a deal. I would for sure call this part of the Cheap Jet Ski Challenge Season 2. Kicking off the summer strong. So we'll let's see what we got in the works. These are very sought after jet skis. I'll let you know once we get closer, but we are roughly 15 minutes away. It will be interesting to see if they are as mint as the pictures say they are. Do I need to buy them? No. Would that be cool? Yeah. I will give you an update if we buy them or not. And we ride off out of the sunset. So as you can probably see there, the things back there, you can see the handlebars. Pretty sweet. So we're on our way back now. About an hour and 20 minutes. I've been on the road for a while. Didn't check in with you guys, but we are on our way back. So they're pretty clean. Need some work, as usually everything does. Not a big deal, but in time they should be running pretty decent. Got a pretty good deal on them. So as you guys can see, we got them home. We're here. So as you can see, they're honestly not bad. On video here, they're kind of, oh, they're dirty, as you can tell. But like, I just tried wiping this off, but like that is going to be so nice. So we'll do a once over on it. Like I said, that's got paperwork. This one does not, but we're gonna figure that out. We're gonna adjust the trailer's got paperwork. Absolutely, man. Graphics are pretty decent. Under the hoods, not bad either. I mean, it's dark, so it's kind of tough to tell. But with some work, it'll be good. Seats are a little rough on this one. We're gonna address that. This one is the nice one. This is the, yeah, this thing's nasty. Other than that, we'll see what it turns into. Maybe we'll get a video of us restoring it. I don't know. We will, definitely. We'll see in a little bit. So we're just pulling up to John's here. Brett doesn't know this yet, but there's actually something sitting in the driveway. Oh, really? He actually doesn't know. That's why I told him to pull the camera.
No way, dude. Stop. He's got it up here? Oh my God. Dude, I didn't know he... No way, dude! Yeah, no longer John! Dude, this is wild stuff. Dude, these boys picked up an XP, bro! Dude, this thing is clean! Dude, he's a little... Oh, stop! Oh my God, dude, this thing is so sick! I mean, damn.
Look what happened on the hood. John and me barely touched it up. Like, we just rubbed our finger on it.
What's with the SPX?
They came with it.
Dude, when did you get these?
This week.
Stop! Dude, why am I not in the know? Oh my God, this is fucking sweet! Dude, this is so sick! No way! Dude, paperwork is impossible to get out
on this and a trailer.
Dude, no way. Dude, so clean. Where'd you get these? Where were they at?
Williamstown. They were the ones in Williamstown.
No
that
way.
Were like,
guys, these are sick. The seats could use a little recover. This one isn't bad. This one's screwed.
We're gonna get a cover for that. This though, I think we can put some like conditioner on it and like bring it back.
No, these don't condition.
These do. Cause like I want to fix this somehow, like hot glue it or something.
Yeah, you can put a little patch over that.
But what do we make oil it or?
Yeah, we'll have to figure something out. Cause on that one, I couldn't do anything.
See, that's tough.
Dude, yeah. Do they both have paperwork?
No.
Oh, this one doesn't have paperwork?
That one, they both turn over. We're gonna work on them and get them going. Like we're good. We're pretty turned. John told me today, he's like, dude, I want you to clean them up. Dude, it's so factory. It's factory airbox. Factory everything.
Wow. This thing is a little bit more clap.
Yeah, it's not bad. His buddy gave it to him.
No
That means we got 2 of them.
shot, bro. I'm stoked. I'm so stoked.
Yeah, we're gonna be ripping them.
Oh, these are sick.
And this one's not like sticky like yours was. Which
Yeah, mine was super sticky. You guys remember when I was redoing that? My little cowl here was super sticky. I'm kind of mad at this one. This one's
kind of cool. Look at this.
Dude, this one's pretty sick. But dude, the XP is so sick. Wow. So now we have these, those 2 over there, and the Wave Runner. Oh my God. You guys better get pumped for the summer content, because boy, the jet skis are coming in hot, boy. We're gonna be in formation through the lake.
Dude, we got 2, 4, and then this, and then the 6th one. If they don't know about you, Connor.
Oh my God, I forget. You guys don't know about Connor's yet either. Oh my God, dude, I'm so pumped. Let's go. All right, as you guys know, the boys have, we like our cheap jet skis. All right, the boys have been, you saw in a clip a little bit ago, we got 2 more. Well, the boys went and fetched a couple more today. Dude, look at all the jet skis. 7 jet skis. We got this Yamaha, Sea-Doo, Yamaha.
One,
Dude.
2, 3, 4 Yamis and 3 Skidoos.
Dude, we have so many jet skis. We're up to 7 jet skis now.
Wild.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And
Plus Connor's is 8.
Oh, Connor's gonna stop.
Oh my God, dude, we have so many jet skis. This is actually ridiculous. So I have brought all the cleaning utensils. We're gonna clean all these things up because right now they all look terrible. By the end of this, these are all gonna look like brand new jet skis. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good, boy. These ones they picked up today. So sneak peek, these are the jet skis for this year's cheap jet ski challenge. So a little sneak peek of what's gonna be ahead before we get them on the water. We're gonna get them cleaned up. So this should be a good little transformation. We'll do a little before B-roll and then we'll do a little after. But this is gonna be, I'm pretty excited about this. Dude, these 2 clean up real nice. It definitely could use a little bit more detailing, but holy smokes.
I like this one better.
Dude, this one's sick. Boy, this needs a good old cleaning in here, boy, though. 1100 trippy? Look at the size of that gas tank. Oh my God. Ain't got no gas in it. You gonna try to boost her over?
You tried it earlier. It does turn.
It turns. She cranks. Cranks that soldier boy.
Hold on.
Try her. Ooh.
It's
got good compression. The greasiest. This thing is pretty greasy. Let her fly. Yep. Ooh.
Here, get her started. Hold that open.
Oh my God! Sounds like your sled.
You ain't gotta go hot wild. Alright, ready?
Here we go. Yeah, it's coming out.
Coming out?
Let her fly, brother. Oh yeah.
Bro. Like, I don't know about this one. Dude, it started right away. He was like, oh, I don't know.
Anything will start with fuel in the cylinders.
Everything.
Is it run on 2?
I don't know if it was running on 2. It didn't really sound like. I was gonna say something. It didn't really sound like 2. Let there be light. It was running on 2. That sounded good for a second. Yeah, okay. Placed in the starting solenoid. It has either said mine, which is over there now, but it's now Johnny's. Now we gotta replace it on this one as well. Easy, 4 bolts. Make sure you put the right wires on each, and then we'll throw it back in. Hopefully this one will start up.
So we're gonna just.
So good.
Pretty decent. All right, well, put some plugs in her, put some fuel in her, let her fly.
Please tell me these are name brand.
New pluggies. Hook up the whatever the hell that is. Ready to go. Let her fly, bud. Here we go. Now the gas is on. Dude, the crap car.
2 hours later.
Dude, oh my god.
I'm nervous. John, I can put you
So these things idle now?
John.
Just so you guys know, it is legitimately 48 degrees out right now. John's is sinking.
Do we do one at a time?
Yes.
I'm nervous.
Oh my god.
Johnny, start.
Well, looks like you're out there for good now. See you, buddy.
No, not enough voltage on that.
We didn't change anything on the battery.
No, but.
Did you figure out the electrical problem, why it kept drawing?
Yeah.
What?
Background. Like, we should have tested them before we like started it.
Beep it.
Oh. Oh, we're going.
Got it. Low and slow, boy.
I love how I'm going on the questionable one here.
Dude, John's is pretty freaking questionable. That thing looks sick!
Dude, this thing's fucking. This thing's hippie. I don't know how I feel about this thing.
Oh.
They say this thing shoots. Like, boom, out of the
Start her up, boy!
Let's wait for him.
Look at him go! Or just sits.
Dude, totally different.
Really?
Totally different
That has
already.
the aftermarket propeller, too. So I might
hurry
take the off one. Ready?
Fire it up. Bro. Dude. Totally different.
Dude, it shoots water? It's got the tail! Oh, she's happy! Oh my god, dude, that thing hoots! Oh my god, that thing is fast! Dude, that thing rips! Oh my god! The XP, I don't know if he's just like not getting on it, or I don't know, it's not. Or if it's just that wave runner that's so fast. Oh, no one died. Something's going on. Oh, maybe it's good. It's just super water. What's up?
I want to swap. This
Dude.
thing is an animal.
That's a hoots.
This is very impressive. I've never been on an X4 haul. It's everything they claim it to be.
Dude, it's the same as the other hull.
No, this is different.
What?
This is, oh yeah.
I didn't know that.
Got all sorts of updates.
Dude, no kidding.
He keeps shutting her down over.
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know, we gotta swap though.
How is it? Is it fast?
This thing's a missile. That one wide open is just like this. This is like half throttle.
Really? Dude, that thing hoots! Dude, that flies!
It's acting weird. This thing's fucking fast.
That's fast!
This thing is fast.
Dude, that thing scoots on the water.
Shut her down.
This thing is. This triple is, the get up and go on it is insane. It feels just like a triple, a motor, a snowmobile triple. It's freaking pick up and, I was pulling away from you.
Dude.
I hit 55 and it was still going.
I didn't want to hold this wide. Oh, I don't know what the
Dude,
I held this like.
that thing is fast.
Dude, it's really fast. Here, I'll hop on it. It's whipping. It quit, so you gotta kind of careful going into the corners because it might die on you and you have no steering.
Yeah, I know.
So like,
yeah.
dude, I don't know if
like a tugboat.
that 1100 is. Dude, it's scary, dude. That thing straight pipes is gonna be nasty. Dude, the jet ski.
Dude, oh my god!
John! Send the waves or something. That thing moves.
This thing, it feels like a newer jet ski.
Dude, the jet ski's floating away though. John, you gotta hit the jet ski!
I know, I'm trying.
Dude, come on. Think I can?
Dude, it's going, bro.
Yeah, just bump this in or something.
Dude, she's gone.
Dude, they call that jet ski like the jumper. It jumped out of the water.
Sick.
Bro, I can't slow down. I can't. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Damn! Boys.
Fine. Definitely gotta get cleaned out.
Dude, yeah, the carbs are probably gone. Especially now. For help! Oh yeah! Start her up, boy. Oh!
Dude, what are you doing, bro?
The guy just came up to Noah and asked him to race.
All the old dogs are coming up to play today.